Yo, what is going on, guys? Pablo's here, and I'm here with.
Dilo?
And today I'm going to be trying my salmon, broccoli, and mashed potatoes. What about you? What do you got?
I got fries and chicken strips.
Fries and chicken tenders.
Yep.
Uh, and we'll be rating out of 10.
Yeah.
I'll get your fork. Ready?
Ready.
The salmon is very good and very flavorful. How do you like your food?
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
The mashed potatoes are very good. And the broccoli has a nice taste to it. You want to try your Pepsi as well?
Yeah.
What do you rate your food?
I give it a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? I give it a 10 out of 10 as well. And again, we would like to thank you guys, and we'll see you guys next one. Bye, guys.
Bye.